A football kicked 20 meter per second at a projection angle 45 degree. A receiver on the goal line 25 meter away in the direction of the kick and runs the same instant to meet the ball. With what must be the speed so that he can catch the ball just before it hits the ground? Okay, so at first if a ball is thrown with a velocity 20 meter per second by making an angle alpha 45 degree the horizontal, where it can reach, that we at first calculate. Okay, obviously it follows the projectile motion, and where it can reach at first we calculate. Okay, so we are calculating the horizontal distance covered by it. Okay, so here, from here the football is kicked. So what is the range? So it is 20 square u square sine 2 theta, so sine 2 into 45 degree divided by g, that is 10. So it is 400. Sine 45 degree is into 2, that is 90 degrees. Sine 90 degrees is 1 divided by 10, so it will be 40 meter. Okay, but the player who want to catch this ball, who want to take this ball before the ground, he is before than that of it, because the range from here to here is 40 meter. Here is the 40 meter. So the player is somewhere here, and his distance from here is 25 meter. Okay, the receiver on the goal line is 25 meter away. So he is here. So if the ball is falling like this, so in which directions he have to run? He have to run in that direction. Okay, he have to run in that direction. So what distance he have to cover? He have to cover obviously 40 meter. It is very simple, 40 meter minus 25 meter. So he have to cover 15 meter. But within which time he have to cover? Here it is said that here the receiver and the player who kick the football is doing the thing starting the thing at the same time. When he kick the ball, at the same time he starts running and starts chasing it in that direction. So ball is just like this, and he starts continuously moving in that particular direction. Okay, so both of them, if I say it is t equal to 0, then it is also t equal to 0 for this. It is for 2, it is t equal to 0. For 1, it is t equal to 0. So after which time it will reach here, that we have to calculate, that is capital T, that is we call the total time of flight. So the total time of flight is, you know that the formula, what is the value of u? 20. What is the value of theta? 45 degree. What is the value of g? 10. So it is 2 into 20 sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2 divided by 10. So it will be cancels out. It will be 4 divided by root 2. So it will be 2 root 2. This is the time. 2 root 2 seconds. So after 2 root 2 seconds, the particle will be here. The football will be here. And the player 2 have to reach from here to here within this 2 root 2 second. So within this 2 root 2 second, what distance he have to cover? 15 meter. He have to go 15 meter from here to here. So what is the speed of him? So speed, he have to cover 15 meter. Okay, and he have to go this 15 meter within this 2 root 2 meter per second. So if I try to do this thing, that is 15, root 2 is 1.414 into 2, that is approximately 2.414. okay, meter per second. So if we approximate this thing as 2.5, okay, so these will be 150, so 25 divided by 150, that is approximately the velocity is around 6 meter per second he have to cover. This is the speed with which the player to have to move to catch the ball before it reaches the ground.